This video will show you how to back up and restore all firmware settings using the LXCE OneCLI. Run the OneCLI config backup command to save the current settings to a file. Use the passphrase to encrypt the file, the scope to define the encryption scope, the file to specify the file name, and the B to set the connection option for the target server. The scope supports two parameters, whole file and sensitive info. You can choose to encrypt either the entire file or just the sensitive information. The backup files have been generated. Use the More command to view the backup files. The backup whole file is fully encrypted, while the backup sensitive info file has only the sensitive information encrypted. Modify the current settings using the OneCLI config set command. In this example, we modified certain settings after the backup. Some changes take effect immediately, while others require a system reboot to be applied. Restart the server to apply the changes. Use the restore command with the passphrase parameter to enter the password and the file parameter to specify the backup file, restoring it to its previous state using the previously saved backwell file. The restore succeeded. Reboot the server to apply the changes. Run the OneCLI config show command to confirm the previous changes before the restore action. The previous changes has been restored.